Hello, in this tutorial we'll be diving into how to import our products from WooCommerce to Renue Marketplace. So yeah, let's get ahead, and when we import them, so we'll be on our storefront in our store that is inside of Renue, of course. I'm sure that makes sense. So first of all, let's just double check if everything is correct set up in our WooCommerce first. For the first step, it is please make sure your permanent links, right? This will be fixed. This is incorrect. We will fix this, and also this is incorrect. Also, it should say this is consume key. This is consume secret, but we will see it, and by viewing this video, in the next video, you will not see this mistake. So we'll keep this updated. So yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and let's go to our store. So once we are in our store, the first things that we need to check, it is our permanent links. So ajustes, it is in Spanish, but it should be settings in English. Settings, we go to permanent links, that is currently right here. We click, it says enlace permanentes in Spanish, but permanent links. And we go to the nombre de entrada, that it is a name of the entrance translated, but in it should be the fifth one, as you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5. So it goes by the name, right? The name. So basically it is your domain name. If it's Spanish or English, you will have EN or ES. If not, it does not have this, and slash example page, página de ejemplo, example page. So basically it should be, you should select the fifth one. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is the first thing that it should be selected. You save, you click, and you save right here. All right, that's what you should do. And afterwards you go to products, click on your products. Just review your products. Usually people just who has a store and WooCommerce does not, it says in stock, right? But it should be, now I'll show you inventory. You should actually add the numbers. It should be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Some people just to just add, you say in stock, but you should track the quantity for this product, because if it's not tracked, so we cannot track it for you, right? Because it's not tracked, so we are not able to see it. Example, if we go and click over here, let's say just an example, this is from the previous one, we need to track the stock. We need to find out how many stocks does this product has. So what does mean, we need you to add the quantity. If it's 1, it's just 1. Okay, if it's 1, just 1, but it needs to have a quantity. And most of the products in this website, they did not do that. They just put in stock and that's it. But it should be a stock quantity. Okay, you need to have the quantity. So this will be just an example. And now we go ahead and we save. If wherever is the button, oops, my head is on the way. Actualizar, that means update. In English it is update. This is in Spanish, actualizar. And now what we will do, it is, we will go to, okay, done. Next step, it is, we will be going to our WooCommerce. We go to settings. Here it is in English, but in other places it's in Spanish. There's a bit of a mix. And we go to advanced. By the way, all the products are already translated in English and Spanish, right? So they're using WPML, this plugin right here, to do all the translation. So all the products are translated in English and in Spanish. So if your product is in English and in Spanish, automatically we will capture all that information, all that data in English and Spanish will be seen. So that helps a lot. So first thing what we will do, it is create what we need to do. We click on settings. And after we click on setting, we click on advanced. After we click on advanced, we go to REST API. Then after we click on add key, just wait for a few seconds this to load. Wonderful. You can give it a Renue, let's say tutorial, so you're aware. And we click on read write, and whoever is the user, you can just give the user, whoever is the user for this, yes, whoever it is, and you generate API key. We wait for a few seconds and we see if it's generated, and yes. All right, so first of all, we have consume key. All right, but let's go back for one step back, and this is it properly. So first is asking for our URL of our store. So we go back and we go to WooCommerce, and the URL, as this is not a real site, it is this one. So if your site, whatever is the name of your site, you just copy the URL and you paste of your website. You remove the slash, okay? HTTPS, the name of your domain, basically your domain name. And now we write the consume key. Now, if we go back to our here, consume key, we go back here, we copy and paste, there you go. Now is asking for the other one. This is incorrect. It should be consume secret. So we go here, copy, we go back, we paste, and that's it, that's all. And now we just click on start importing, and now we'll start importing. I like to double verify if everything is working correctly. If something is not working correctly, you'll see some red information popping up over here saying that it is incorrect or is not importing correctly, but it seemed like everything went smooth, and we have started importing our products about 23 seconds ago. It is a 7%, so I like to always check here and here too. Let's see, as you can see, it is a 7%. It has already importing, and let's see. Oh wow, okay, so we already started importing all the products. They're about 100. Let's just double check. Let's go back to our store and make sure you should be saving this just in case. So go here. This information should not be shared with nobody. Okay, only you can have this information, or us if we need to make any changes, of course, with your, if you give us the information that we need and to fix your website. Let's go ahead. All right, there you go. And now we will go, there you go. Let's just see how many products do we have. We click go here on products. We just wait for a second or two. And let's see how many products do we have in total. We have in total 143, 143 in Spanish and 144 in English. All right. So this is the total amount of products that we have. Let's go back to our store and see if everything is working fine. Everything seems like it's working fine. Let's go to our WooCommerce. Let's see how much what is the percentage of importing. It has already doubled. It is 14%, and that's all. So what you could do right now, okay, 21. What you could do right now is just wait for all the products, all the information, all the data to be imported correctly into your store. And after that, right now I'll pause the video and there'll be a quick cut, and in the next cut you'll see me, it is 100%, and we will go through this next steps. All right, awesome. See you in the next pause. Okay, so now we are in 98%. We are about to finish. Boom, and yes, we have updated successfully 143 products. So let's double check if everything is correct. And yes, it is. Everything has been imported. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Let's just double check. And so yes, all the products have been imported, and we just double check. You just need to enable it. You just need to enable it and give it a how many kilograms, the collection, the food, what category does it belongs to. Just double check if everything was translated correctly. We have English and we have Spanish. So yes, that's about it, and it is ready. It's ready to go, and that's the full tutorial on how to import products.